Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by checking storage and settings so you know which drive and folders are full. This directs your action. Once you identify the target, run disk cleanup as administrator to remove system temp files and Windows Update Cleanup. This reclaims hidden space. Next, uninstall apps you no longer use and clear the Downloads folder to free large files. Make sure to empty the recycle bin after deletion so space is actually recovered, and note how each step reduces fragmentation and clutter. Once the quick cleanup is done, enable Storage Sense to automate temp file removal and set a schedule. This prevents future buildup. You should then move big media folders to an external drive or a cloud account to keep the system drive lean. If you use OneDrive, change files on demand so large files stay online only. Alternatively, compress seldom-used folders to save space. Make sure to verify moved files open correctly, because moving reduces local read/write load and speeds up the OS. To finish, run chkdsk and Windows Storage Diagnostics to detect file system issues that falsely report low space. This fixes orphaned files. If space remains tight, consider resizing partitions with disk management or upgrading to a larger SSD for long-term relief. If something goes wrong, boot into safe mode and repeat disk cleanup and uninstalls. Safe mode prevents background apps from locking files. Finally, make sure you have backups before resizing or upgrading, so you can recover if.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.